your Zen lender. And I want to pick up on loan process video number 4 that explains to you what the conditional loan approval is. So at this stage, you have opened escrow, you have ordered your appraisal, and your loan officer has submitted all of your documents to the underwriter. And then they call you back a few days later and they tell you that you have conditional loan approval. So what exactly does that mean? What it means is that the underwriter has reviewed your paychecks, has reviewed your bank statements to confirm that there are any large deposits. They have also reviewed the appraisal, the purchase contract, and the title report. So in the conditional loan approval, the underwriter has conditions, and they are explaining that your loan will be approved upon these conditions being satisfied. So that's where conditional loan approval comes from. So let's unpack it a little bit. So your paychecks. Maybe your paycheck doesn't add up on the year to date as they would anticipate, considering what you have listed as your monthly income. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy there. When that happens, the underwriter will request a written verification of employment, which means that we contact your employer, your human resources or payroll department, and we ask them to provide us with a breakdown of your last 2 years and your year-to-date income. And this will tell us year over year what your income has been, and it'll help explain why there may or may not be a discrepancy. A written verification of employment will also give a breakdown and 2-year history of any bonuses, commission, or overtime, which is being considered for your loan approval, if that's the case for you. So that's what they're looking at on your paychecks. On your bank statements, they're always looking for any, people are always thinking that they're looking for suspicious activity. But in actuality, it's not just that. The underwriters want to make sure that people like myself or the seller or the agents are not giving the buyer money to help purchase the property. And so with that, they will question any large deposits and require that we provide any paper trail to backtrack and show the source of the funds. So if you have a large deposit, maybe you transferred the funds from your retirement account, then we need to go back and get the 2 months history of that retirement account to show proof that the funds originated from that retirement account, were liquidated, and then transferred into your bank account. Some other things that they're looking for are the appraisal report. Maybe it has some conditions with regards to the property. There are some things like maybe it requires explanation for some stains on a carpet, which could be indication of the roof leaking, or if the CO2 detectors need to be installed. Or if there's some questions about the condition of the roof. These are all things that the underwriter might come back and ask. And then you have your purchase contract. So we have to make sure that the parties that are on the purchase contract, particularly the seller, that the name matches what appears on the title report, and that the person who has signed the purchase contract is eligible to be able to enter into this transaction and sell that property. So these are all the things that come up on a conditional loan approval. And once they are satisfied, meaning once your loan officer provides you with that list of items, then you provide them back to the loan officer. They are then returned to the underwriter for the next set of approval. Hopefully that's it, and they don't have any follow-up questions, but they could, and then you can get a secondary conditional approval. So I hope that helps explain what your conditional loan approval means. Of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me or give me a call. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Have a great day.